Today we are here at Onexia, the jungle of wild robots. We're going to see how these robots interact with their environment, how they help manufacturing companies today, and what they do. Today at Onexia, we're going to be taking a look at a variety of different robots. But before we go see them, let's talk to the handler of these robots, Mr. Greg Selke. Mr. Selke, what can you tell us about Onexia and these robots?
Well, our job principally is helping companies find ways to improve the processes. These are usually manufacturing companies.
Now we are here with Vince Russo next to the palletizer, which helps prevent injuries in the workplace and can perform the work of 10 men. Vince, can you tell us about what industry the palletizer helps in?
Palletizer helps in the packaging industry. It's an end-of-line solution. It helps with the ergonomic solution for unsafe jobs. The palletizer will also run for you 3 shifts all day long, won't call out sick.
Now we're going to talk to the picket handler and marketing manager at Onexia, Tim Pileski. Can you tell us, what does the picket do to identify its prey?
Certainly. So using the 3D camera that's mounted to the top of the table here, it scans the area and determines what part it's able to pick. Using the 3D vision model, it then scans the part and determines how the best way to go into the bin and pick it up and place it into its next position.
Wow, it's really so fascinating to see how these robots help and adapt to perform well in their harsh environments. Mr. Selke, now that we've gone through and seen what your company does and seen all these robots, can you tell us the real important question? What's so cool about manufacturing?
Well, what could be more fun? We get an opportunity to really see how things are made and then have a way of helping these companies make their products better. So manufacturing just opens up an opportunity for all kinds of talents and skills at all levels.
Thank you for watching this episode of Bot Geo. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.